Hey everybody, have you ever bought a motorcycle that wasn't running and decided to see if you could get it running? Well, that's what my husband and I are doing. We found a 2012 Vstrom, which is the Suzuki DL1000, and we're gonna go pick it up and we're gonna see if we can get this thing running so I can have a new to me bike. So stick around and let's see what happens with our Vstrom project. Okay, here's the details I know. The guy we're buying the bike from has been using it to commute on the freeway to go to his job at USC. So it sounds like it's got around 30,000 miles on it, and he got himself a new bike. What he told us was he pulled it up at a gas station and filled up with gas, and then all of a sudden his bike stopped working and gas was pouring out of the bike and into the cylinders. Those are his words. He also told us that he's tried to fix it. He's worked on cars and bikes all of his life. So he tried to fix it. He's asked for help on different discussion boards and he's given up. So he offered the bike as is for $700, and that included the luggage, the racks, a windscreen, and some other doodads. So we're gonna see if we can resurrect this Vstrom so that I can have an adventure bike, because as I'm getting older, I'm tired of being hunched over on my sport bike. I think I'm ready to move into a different position. So very excited at the opportunity to get this possibly dead bike back to life. Let's see what happens. We've become those people. We just got another bike. So now we are a two Vstrom garage / household.
I have one ugly bike when you have two.
I think we're gonna need a bigger garage. Okay, so we gave up last night sometime around 9 o'clock after doing a bunch of work on it. And Frank thought he had a shim kit, but realized he does not. And now that we have 2 Vstroms, he said, I might as well just buy a shim kit. So it looks like they won't get here till tomorrow. So there'll be a pause in the Vstrom resurrection action. But very favorable first day. We got it running. We got the error code to go away after fiddling with all the electrical wiring, as well as checking on the hole shot, which is I have a Power Commander in the VFR, so this bike has a brand that's called the hole shot, which I'd never heard of before. So anyways, thanks for watching part 1 of our Vstrom project. Hopefully this week we'll get to work on it some more. And we also need to order a new tire. I don't know if you noticed that picture of the back tire. It's not really round anymore, so we're gonna be ordering a new tire as well. So, all right, well anyways, thanks so much for watching. Hope you liked the video. Click the subscribe button, check out my blog, and I hope to see you out on a ride soon. I'm enjoying the lovely spring weather. All right, take care guys, see you on a ride.